You have to take, in ACT science, you have to do this note taking practice also. Whatever is
Okay.
given to you, just, squeeze the information out of it and just take short notes.
All
So
right.
this picture is given to you. So you are going to, just quickly do the short note thing so that you can quickly find out the answer. So what note you would be taking from here?
The I would say relationship between air temperature and altitude.
Okay, fine.
Um, and then I'd need to make note down like the units, so like degrees Celsius and kilometers.
Perfect. So the temperature is given in the unit of degree Celsius and the altitude is measured in kilometers above sea level. So this is the information which you use to answer the question. If I ask you, the question is, what is the temperature at 2 kilometers above sea level?
Okay, so
So you have to be careful because it's not like eyeballing the graph and
mm,
find out the answer. Because when you look at the graph, sometimes the graphs they appeal to us very simple and we just become overconfident and we just say that okay, this is the answer. But no, when you
mhm,
are doing graph, so what is the technique you have to apply here to find out the answer to this very simple question? This is not a tough question.
yeah.
So the technique I'm looking for is what you would apply to give the correct answer.
Okay. So
Mm.
uh I
Okay,
guess
okay,
like
you tell me. So don't go by my opinion. You just tell me what should be the answer. Then I will tell you how to
uh,
do it.
it would be more than 0 and it would be less than 10.
Less
So
than
around
10,
like
more than 0. Yeah, okay.
yeah,
But you have to pinpoint the answer.
so I want to say like 2 or 3.
Yeah, you have to say that.
Okay.
Because I have
So
told you it is 2 kilometers above the sea level. So this point I have
mhm.
already given to you. So that means I'm looking an answer again in terms of some digit or figure. So give me a
Mhm.
digit. I don't want less than or below or
Okay.
more.
3 degrees Celsius.
3 degree Celsius.
Mhm.
That's incorrect.
Uh
So what you did, you eyeballed, right? That's what
mhm.
you are doing. Hmm? So in the real exam, you're not supposed to do this. Take the ruler and the pencil. Okay. So
Mm.
you have to draw a straight line.
Oh, but my
Okay.
exam will be on computer.
It doesn't matter. Still, you can make a guess like this.
Okay.
There are some pointers. Okay. So go by this.
Mhm.
So what should be the answer?
4 degrees
Yes,
Celsius.
4 degree. 4 degree.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how you are going to do it because there will be certain figures 3, 4, 5, just to confuse you. Okay.
Uh,
Or 2. So
yeah.
obviously you have to give the answer between 2, 3, 4, 5. They nearly are all same,
Uh-huh.
right? So this is why you need to be careful while working with the graphs. Let's see the another one.
Okay.
Is this the research summary or the data representation?
Data representation.
Very good. So just go through the data and then I'll ask you a question.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm. So what this data tells you about?
So it's talking about E. coli and how
Hmm.
uh like the relationship between the distance from an effluent pipe and then
Hmm.
the amount of the concentration of E. coli in it.
Good. Very good. So thousands of E. coli per centiliter and distance from effluent pipe 3, right? My question is at a distance of 5 meters
Mhm.
from effluent pipe, I'm writing in short,
Mhm.
at a distance of 5 meters from effluent pipe 3, how many thousands of E. coli are found per centiliter of water?
Uh, so do I have to say like five? Wait, hold on. So
Do
it'd
you
be
want me
like
to repeat the question?
it would. it would be like 5,600, right?
Mhm. So it's very simple. So 5 meter, it corresponds to what value? 5.6. Okay. So
5.6.
that means there are 5.6 thousands of E. coli per centiliter, right? This is pretty simple. I mean, this kind of question might not be there. What another kind of question do you think they can give you from this kind of tabular information?
Probably like what at like 8 meters, how many E. coli would be there around?
Hmm. They
They
can
ask,
ask you to identify the data trend in the table. Okay.
right.
What sort of data trend is there in the table? Are you able to figure out
Uh,
what? Hmm.
uh, let me see. It increases and then it decreases in
Mm-hmm.
terms of E. coli.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
So they go from zero point 0.4 up to 27.6. So it's
right.
increasing, mhm, and then they start to go down,
Yeah.
right? So they can ask you these kind of questions as well that explain the data trend, what happens at this particular distance from a fluent pipe. So you can just, give the answers. So answers, options, they are quite similar to each other. You just have to hunt the real answer. Okay.
Right.
Now I was